I use this on all of my equipment out here, but it's a little device called a Radiator Genie. Take it easy because, man, this thing really blows very strong. So when you do it the first time, you're going to want to practice a little bit because, man, you turn that thing on the first time, if you're not holding it well, you're going to slam it back into other coolers or other parts. You need to be ready for it when it turns on. But, man, it blasts out things really well. So I've got the oil cooler, or actually it's the hydraulic oil cooler here. And then next you've got the AC cooler. Behind the AC cooler, it's kind of hard to see, is your fuel cooler. And then you have your radiator. So there's 4 coolers on this thing that I blow out. Now it's very easy to blow out the hydraulic cooler on this. You've got a lot of space between it to get in there. So that one's very easy to clean out. And your radiator is pretty easy to clean out. You can go in back from the fan and blow this thing out. The hardest ones to clean are the ones here in the middle, which is, you know, the fuel and the AC. But with this Radiator Genie, you can get in there pretty easy between the radiator and that fuel cooler and blow it out. And like I said, it's got a lot of pressure. You put 100 psi against this and it should be fine. Read the directions or the manual that comes with the Radiator Genie to make sure, you know, 100 psi isn't too much. I don't remember. But that's usually around what I'm putting through there. And I mean, it cleans out every last speck of dirt, grass, anything that gets in there when I use it. And I love it. It works great. I'm doing it one-handed, so I'm going to lay the pipe against this metal bracket because, no lie, I mean, it will blast the dirt out of there. The good thing about it is the way this thing is designed at the end here, pushes the air through without bending the little coil pieces inside of your coolers. And that's very important because that's really what cools off the fluids that are going through there are those little bitty coils, and the air flowing through there, it picks up and transfers the heat out and transfers the coolness in. So again, that's how I do my clean outs on my radiators, all my coolers, all my tractors, skid steer, backhoe, this tractor. Heck, I use it for cars, anything that I have where I need to clean out something that's gotten pretty dirty. And I do this quite often. If I go mow, I mean, before I mow, I do it, and after I mow, I do it. It does great. I highly recommend them if you want to be able to really get in there and clean them off. Hopefully this helps somebody, and all of y'all take care. Thank you.